Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are embarking on a delightful journey as we capture the beauty of a lovely girl from behind. Let's dive into the enchanting world of artistry and imagination where every stroke of the brush tells a story. Imagine a tranquil setting where the soft rustle of leaves and the gentle hum of nature provide the perfect backdrop. As we set the stage, let your imagination transport you to a place where beauty knows no bounds. Begin by sketching the outline of our lovely girl, her figure framed by the serenity of the scenery. Begin by sketching the gentle curve of her back, allowing the lines to flow with grace and elegance. Notice the way her hair cascades down her back like a waterfall of silk, each strand dancing in the breeze. Notice the way her posture exudes confidence and grace as if she is lost in a moment of quiet introspection. Capture the delicate feature of her form from the curve of her back to the gentle arc of her neck. Every stroke of the brush is a brushstroke of love, imbuing our artwork with emotion and depth. Step back and admire your creation, a masterpiece born from your imagination and brought to life on the canvas. As you continue, capture the delicate contours of her shoulders and the subtle curve of her waist. Imagine the scene unfolding before you as she stands amidst a garden of flowers lost in her own thoughts. Feel the warmth of the sunlight caressing her skin, casting gentle shadows and illuminating her form. Allow your creativity to flow freely, infusing each brush stroke with love and passion. And there you have it, a beautiful depiction of a lovely girl from behind brought to life through the magic of art. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and let your imagination soar. May your adventures be filled with beauty and wonder. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.